how to reset Bereal streak after reinstall. So what you want to do is here to reset your Bereal streak after install. This is not possible as there is no such thing as streak on Bereal app. So there is no manual way to reset or restore a Bereal streak if it has ended due to missing spot or missing post. Even after reinstallation, the app or after reinstalling the app, the streaks are tied to your account and managed on Bereal server, not your local device data. And this shake feature is actually available on Snapchat, but for Bereal, this is not something that you could go ahead and do it. So basically, what you want to do is Bereal means to post it on a notified time. So whenever you receive a notification, you could post it using both the front and the back of your camera, and that's basically when you can post it. And you can find no such thing as streak loss, something like that. You will be able to see that late post or missing post, something like that. So if you want to fill in that gap, you could simply take or retake the photo, and that's going to help you out to reset Bereal streak after reinstall. You could see that. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.